Now let's look at the nested components, how to use components inside components. So let's go here. Here we have these nested components, and what do we see here? We have some icon, and we want to make two variants of logos with this icon, and then to use these logos somewhere on different banners. In this case, if we change the icon, it will be changed in the logos, and it will be changed in all the places where we paste duplicates of these logos. So I'll copy paste this icon, then I will make it a component and create a duplicate of the component. Now I will create another duplicate, and I want to make these logos. Let's say that this is logos Maldives forever. Okay, so I need some frame. I will fill it, and I will paste some text inside. It will say Maldives forever. Okay, it's inside frame 67, and I'll apply auto layout to it. Okay, now I want to add some padding. Let's say it will be not too much, maybe 20 or even maybe less. I want this to be the same size. Okay, looks like it is the same. And I'll add more padding from the sides. Let's say I'll set it to 40. Okay, and I want to make one corner round. I click this icon, and this second one will be round. Okay, now I want to set the color of my logo. To do this, I click here and use a color picker. Great. So I will just create a component from this whole logo. Let's make it component. And now I want to create another variant of logo, a square or vertical one. I will use this icon, then I add some random frame. I'll use auto layout, fill in, change the color, set some opacity. It's probably a little transparent. And now I'll just copy paste this text. This looks like a frame because it has auto layout. Okay, I'll copy paste this text over here, and I will change auto layout to vertical. Then I will use center alignment. Now I want to add more spacing between these two objects, and I will probably add less spacing over here. Maybe let's set it to 30, and let's make these corners round, maybe like this. Okay, so looks the same. And now I make this logo component again. If I want, I can make it a square. For example, I need a rectangle and I need a square. In this case, I will use fixed height and width. It will be, okay, 422. Okay, and let's make this text a little smaller, and in this case we can make the spacing between these objects bigger. Okay, looks better now. Okay, so now we have two components of logos and we can paste them anywhere at the banners, and in a case that we want to change this icon, okay, I will paste 2 copies of these logos. Duplicates. Okay, and now I want to change a color of our palm to orange. So as you understand, it goes everywhere. So the main thing from this lesson is that we can use nested components. We can use components inside components inside components. This is very handy if you want to make some complicated things, if you want to use some small objects inside some bigger objects. So that's it with our nested components. Let's move to another lesson.